Welcome to the Live Squawk podcast, where professional traders, investors, and market insiders get the unfiltered insights that matter most. Stay ahead of the curve with expert interviews and exclusive market commentary. Hello, and welcome to Live Squawk's Commodity Corner. Actual analysis on equities, energies, ags, metals, and other critical assets. Sign up today for our daily post and weekly newsletter. I'm joined by its author, Chris Stadele, to walk you through what's in this week's edition. But before that, just a quick disclaimer. The content provided on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. We are not licensed financial advisors, and none of the information shared should be considered as financial investment or trading advice. Please conduct your own research, consider your financial objectives, and consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing and trading in financial markets carries risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. We are not responsible for any losses or gains that may result from following the content on this channel. And with that, I'd like to introduce Chris. Chris, hello, how are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Not bad, thank you.
For this week, I'm actually scheduled to do a metals-related podcast next week, so I actually cover 4 different metals. First, I talk about platinum and palladium, which are actually industrial metals. So I provide some fundamental analysis on both of those. And my metals discussion leads right into my currency discussion. So I'll let you see how I tie those together. And for industrial metals or base metals on copper and aluminum, I talk about how all of these crazy tariffs are going to impact both of them differently, along with some price points. And as for non-metals, starting specifically with crude oil, that's obviously gotten slammed lately. So I just want to reiterate some price targets as well as some fundamentals. And finally, for the stock market, I've been discussing several different moving averages recently, and I just wanted to update that and produce another piece of technical analysis that is just briefly included in there. So, but continuing on technical analysis specifically, that's very, very hard to do in trading environments like we're seeing right now. So, none of the technical analyses that I provide should be chipped in stone, and you should definitely be nimble in all of these markets. Given all the volatility and tariffs and who knows what's going to happen this weekend, early next week, etc. So, and for next week, I'm going to cover gold, the stock market, nickel, and certainly a few others. So,
Thanks, Chris. Quite a packed edition for this week, really, from what I can see and what you said. So I look forward to reading through it and just see if we can pick through the noise, really.
Yeah, definitely interesting times, and like I said a moment ago, it's interesting to see headline to headline and tweet to tweet. So definitely need to stay nimble and in front of the news. So
yeah, for sure. Okay, and where can we find your weekly?
It's on Substack. If you go to substack.com and type in Live Squawk Commodity Corner, it will pop right up.
Superb. All right, well, thanks again. And listen, have a good weekend. And let's hope we get a slightly quieter week next week. Thanks for tuning into the Live Squawk podcast. Your edge in the market starts here. Subscribe now.